In this video, I will show you how to contact Amazon customer service using the Amazon app. This method is often faster than making a phone call. You will learn how to get help quickly without waiting in long phone queues. First, open the Amazon app on your phone and make sure you are signed into your account. At the bottom or top of the screen, tap the three lines to open the menu. From the menu, scroll down and select Customer Service or Help. This will take you to the Amazon Help Center, where you can find answers to many common questions. You will see a list of suggested topics. Sometimes the answer to your question will appear here, and you can solve your problem without needing to speak with an agent. If the topic does not solve your issue, look for an option that says something like "Get more help" or something else. Tap that, and it will give you the options to contact Amazon directly. One of the fastest ways to get help is by using the chat option. Tap on Chat, and you will be connected to an Amazon agent. Type a short message explaining your issue, and an agent will respond. This is often quicker than waiting for a phone call because you are placed in a text queue instead of a voice queue. If you prefer to talk on the phone, you can also use the call option in the app. When you select the call option, you will need to enter the phone number where Amazon can reach you. Make sure to enter a number where you can answer quickly. After entering your number, press the call button. Amazon will call you back, so you do not have to wait on hold. Once they call, you can explain your problem directly to the agent, and they will help you resolve it. It is helpful to have your order number or account details ready before contacting customer service. This makes it faster for the agent to verify your information and solve your issue. Using the chat or call option in the app is usually the quickest way to get support compared to dialing Amazon's regular phone line. Before you finish, I want to mention a tool that can help keep your online activity secure while you are using Amazon or other apps. NordVPN protects your data and keeps your connection private. It works on phones, tablets, and computers, and it is very reliable. You can try it for a great price by using the link in the description.